Welcome to Client Space. Here you can view and manage all client records in one central location. Use search and filter tools to find specific contacts quickly. You can easily add new clients manually or set up automated imports. Connect your external CRM to automatically sync incoming leads directly into your workspace. Click the Add Client icon to bring up the Personal Info modal. Choose between individual or company accounts. Enter details like company name, full name, age, and descriptive notes to keep team members aligned on lead history. Next, move to Client Contact Info. The phone number field acts as a key unique identifier across hypersales, so entering it is mandatory. Input the complete phone number, including country code, and click Save Client to store the record. Once saved, your new client appears in the main client list. Click on any contact to view messaging options on the right side. You can connect using either WhatsApp or SMS platforms. Both human sales reps and automated AI agents can send messages directly. All message exchanges are neatly recorded in this unified workspace. In our next tutorial, we will explore Agent Space.